Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. This is just a quick update. I want to let you know that I completed the V8 Vega that I started back in the late 70s. Everything's still drying. I was very happy to get this one done. I did not touch up the paint or anything. I left it exactly as it was. All I did was finish putting it together. Another one of them kits that took forever. I was impressed with the opening hatch, though. That was pretty cool. The color, I have no recollection of painting this thing. Back in the 70s, I thought my painting was a little bit better than this, but this is pretty atrocious. But whatever. Looks like it was painted with a crayon. But I'm happy it's finished. It'll go up on the shelf next to the other builds that I'm completing that were started when I was a kid. So, hope you all having a great day. And like I said, this is just a quick one. Be sure to check out the other videos for kits that were built as an adult now, you know. Alrighty. I thank you all for stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.